Hello. Hello traders. So I am waiting for you to receive the notification that I am online again, I am live again and start trading. Hello. Hello traders. So I'm waiting for you to receive the notification that I am online again, I am live again and start trading. Okay, perfect. So I'm waiting for you guys. Kindly share it in groups, in telegrams or any other groups, so the number gets larger and we can start trading. Can you hear my voice? Please type if you can hear my voice to make sure that there's no sound issues or anything. Hello Afsar. Yes, hearing you. Okay, perfect. Okay, so we don't have any issue for the moment. Okay, perfect. We hear you loud and clear. Laziba. Okay. You're welcome. That's perfect. Thank you guys. So I'm waiting for the number to get larger so more people can receive the notification that I am online, I'm live. Okay, perfect. So here I am on euro dollar. As you can see, market is moving on sideways on a range where EMA 200 is almost a support. Here price tried to break EMA 200 but not for so long, and then remained above EMA 200. Now price is very close to EMA 9 and 20, so we don't enter the market in this case. Also for GBP dollar is an uptrend. Here it was a great sell opportunity, also a great sell opportunity, and now a great sell opportunity. Okay, but for the moment I'm waiting for GBP dollar to get up much higher. Also in USD yen, same but in a downtrend. And for AUD dollar, also AUD dollar is on EMA, so I don't enter the market for the moment, and Euro GBP also. Okay, perfect. So we don't have any entry for this minute, so we are waiting for the number to get larger. Afsar, good afternoon from Bangladesh. Hello Afsar, you're most welcome and my greetings to Bangladesh. Zishan, hi, thanks for live session. You're most welcome, Zishan. Yes, voice is clear. Yes, okay. Okay, now euro dollar started to move faster. As you can see, candles are bigger, and I am waiting for euro dollar to move down much further, so I start buying it in order to reach EMAs when turning up. For GBP dollar, it's still very slow. USD yen also. Okay, we still don't have any entry for the moment. You have to learn to be patient in forex trading. Of course, never ever over trade. If your system is not giving you an opportunity, don't enter the market just to trade. That's over trading, that kills your account. And I have talked a lot about trading psychology in my last uploaded video. I advise you to watch it till the end, where you learn how to develop the right mindset for success in forex trading, including patience, including how to treat fear, and how to treat greed, and how to keep your mindset up to this career. Okay, so euro dollar started to go down. Perfect. That's what we have expected, that euro dollar will be going down. So I'm waiting for it to get down much further. I will start with buying micro lots, so it's convenient for all of your account balances. Even if you have a very small balance, you will be trading with micro lot. Okay, Adrian, thanks for the live trading. You're most welcome, Adrian. I'm currently trading your strategy on FTMO. Okay, perfect, Adrian. You can trade with me also. As you can see, price is very close to EMAs. That's why we don't enter the market in this case. Also, AUD dollar is very close. Euro GBP started to go down much further, but euro dollar is much better. Okay, so I'll start my first entry on euro dollar. That's a micro on euro dollar. Okay, now you can start buying euro dollar. Okay, so I have entered a micro lot on euro dollar, and my take profit would be there. Perfect, euro dollar is going down much further. So now in this case, as you can see, volume indicator started to cross EMA 20. It means there's a possibility of big down move. Therefore, you don't keep buying here. Okay, you don't overbuy here. Since you have volume, okay, it means there's a possibility of the market to keep trending down. So you wait to buy the dips. But moreover, in this candle, as you can see, it was rejected. Okay, so this rejection may also indicate that price may start reversing. Okay, so since you have a possibility of big downtrend, you do not enter the market for the moment. You do not keep buying. Okay, you don't overbuy. You wait for it to get down much further from near the last low, near the last bottom, and you start buying from there. As you can see, I am waiting. I'm not placing orders anymore. Also, you have to pay attention to market watch, so you can buy at the end of the candle. Like now, for example, it's 59 seconds. It's great to buy. Okay, at 59 seconds, at the end of it, it was a great opportunity to buy it. Okay, try always to buy at the end of the 1 minute candle, since we are on 1 minute chart. So try to buy at 56, 57 seconds. So you are buying the bottom of this candle. Okay, let's see other charts meanwhile. USD yen is very close to EMA, so we do not trade it. AUD dollar is perfect. Okay, AUD dollar now entered the region between 20 and 50, and may continue until 200. So if you are already selling AUD dollar, it started to enter an advanced region, which is an advanced area, which is between 20 and 50, and now reaching 50 and 200. Okay, Euro GBP nothing. So here we are on euro dollar. Okay, as we have expected, exactly as I have predicted, since volume crossed EMA 20, it means there is a tough downtrend for the moment. So that's why I'm not buying a lot, okay, because there's a big possibility of price continuing to go down, and then I will start buying much more. You see how to manage your risk. You don't overtrade, you don't keep buying, you have to analyze the market. As I told you, as I have predicted, price will be going down much further, okay? Now I am on 50 seconds, so the end of, as you can see, market watch 55, 56, 57, 58. So that's why, okay, perfect. That's perfect. We are near the last low, okay? We are near the last low, and I am keeping a big space between my orders. Okay, we are near the last low, and I am keeping a big space between my orders. Here I will enter a bigger order. Since we are near the last bottom, here you can enter a bigger order. Angelo, yo, hello, King of Forex. Hello, Angelo. Okay, perfect. Euro dollar is almost near the last bottom. Okay, almost near the last bottom, and the candle is about to end. Perfect, that's perfect. As you can see in volume, okay, let me show you the volume. Okay, volume crossed EMA 20, that's what we are talking about. Okay, volume crossed EMA 20 in a very tough way. As you can see, volume is very high. So the selling pressure is big for the moment. As you can see, volume is still up, crossing EMA 20 and up very high. And we have crossed the last low, okay? Waiting for other markets. Okay, that's what we are talking about on GBP dollar. Going to reach or heading toward EMA 200. On USD yen, very close to EMA, so we cannot trade it. That's what we were talking about, if you remember, just 1 minute ago, that AUD dollar will be moving toward EMA 200. And on Euro GBP, actually nothing for the moment. AUD dollar is reaching EMA 200, as we have expected. Okay, perfect. Euro dollar is going down very fast. Okay, as you can see, I have, in order to manage my risk, I have placed this big distance between my orders, and now I am buying much more. Okay, so I have placed this big distance in order to manage the risk. Why you are seeing this? Because of this big volume. As you can see, this big candle is volume is very high. That's why euro dollar is moving so fast, so aggressive to the downtrend. Okay, and this downtrend. Okay, let me check for AUD dollar crossed EMA 200 as expected. Okay, Ready King, I hope you're always in good health. Thank you, same to you. This live stream will be recorded and we can watch it later, right? Okay, but it takes time to be processed, and so when it's available you can rewatch it, of course. Okay, so AUD dollar reached EMA 200. As I told you, if you were selling AUD dollar, now it's your golden opportunity to close with big profits on AUD dollar. Euro GBP for the moment also is between EMA 20 and 50. GBP dollar also, as expected, reaching EMA 200. Okay, so if you were entering the market on AUD dollar, to be more precise, you should be closing now with big profits, and also on GBP dollar the same. Okay, let's check euro dollar. Euro dollar is still going down much further, since volume is still above EMA 20. And GBP dollar is going toward EMA 200. Carl, hello, Your Highness. Hello, hello, Carl. Okay, GBP dollar is trying to reach EMA 200 for the moment. Also, did anyone enter this market? Is anyone closing for the moment on AUD dollar? AUD dollar is on EMA 200. Did anyone close just for the moment and made some profits out of it? Hank, hi, KOF. Hello, Hank. Clive, do you think GBP dollar will reach EMA 200 on the 5 minute? GBP dollar on M5. Yes. Okay, perfect. So you are trading M5. Okay, perfect. And you have sold out there and waiting for GBP dollar to reach EMA 200. Okay, that's perfect. Also, if you are in profits now, you can. I advise you to close now and take your profits, because price may reverse from here and start going up much further. Then you can start selling, and when reaching EMA 200, and the next time when you start selling in your next sell, you will be reaching EMA, you will be closing on EMA 200, your target is EMA 200, and you will be doubling your profits, because your first sell was here, you have closed now and waiting for another up from the market, then you resell and you close on EMA 200 with profits. Okay, perfect. So some of you have closed with profits, as I am reading below. H-Nag, hello. Hi, hope you well, King. Thank you. Same to you. Anderson, yes. AUD dollar just closed profits. Okay, perfect. So let's return to 1 minute. Okay, so you have already closed on AUD dollar with profits. And that's USD yen. That's perfect. Broke this EMA 50 resistance and going toward EMA 200. Okay, for euro dollar I will be buying much more for the moment. Let's see, volume is still above EMA 20, so it's still trending. The selling pressure is still available, but price will be reversing very soon, okay, to reach EMAs. That's why I'm preparing my orders. Okay, GBP dollar very close from EMA 200 on 1 minute. Also, some of you are waiting for it on M5. That's also okay. USD yen is going toward EMA 200. Also, AUD dollar started to go below EMA 200. Okay, so AUD dollar, if you have bought here, it was a great opportunity in order to reach EMAs. On Euro GBP, mainly you can do nothing in this case. Okay, so let's read some chats. Clive, this is why you are king. Thank you, Clive. Nelson, perfect. Adrian, what lot size should we use for different account sizes on euro dollar now? What lot size should we use for different account sizes on euro dollar now? Well, if you have a small balance account, you should be starting with a micro lot. Okay, I started out with micro lot, then added or used or entered the market with bigger lots. Okay, so you should be starting with micro lots, and then when price is much further away from EMAs, when the distance is larger, you can increase the lot size. Okay, I noticed you increased by ×5 for aggressive mode. Yes, exactly. I'm using 100k. Okay. Adrian, which lot size would be good? For $1,000 account, you can start with volume 1, a 1 lot. Okay, you can start with a 1 lot size so easily if you are using a 100k account. Okay, you can start with volume 1. USD is still trying to reach EMA 200, and for AUD dollar also. AUD dollar, okay, was below EMA 200 and now reached Euro GBP, nothing mainly. Okay, GBP dollar continuing toward EMA 200, so let's wait for it. Perfect, price is going down much further. Also on euro dollar it's getting up. As you can see on euro dollar, many candles passed without touching EMA 9, and now price is getting very close from EMA 9. Also USD yen toward EMA 200, and GBP dollar is the closest one toward EMA 200. Adrian, and then ×5 for 5 lots when price is very far away. No, actually you can manage your risk much better. You can start for example with let's say a mini lot 0.1, okay, and then later on start increasing 0.5 and then volume 1, okay. It's not a rule ×5, okay. I just used ×5 here, but it's not a rule, okay. Okay, so euro dollar is trying to cross EMA 9, but also volume faded below EMA 20, okay? So now we should see a big volume on euro dollar crossing this EMA 20 and going up much further to reach the other EMAs. Also USD continuing toward EMA 200. Adrian, okay, thanks. You're most welcome, Adrian. Okay, Euro GBP also started to cross EMAs. Euro dollar crossed EMA 9 for the moment and continuing upward. Okay. AUD dollar is very close to EMAs for the moment, so you cannot buy it or sell it, okay? Euro dollar is still continuing up and now to reach EMA 20 for euro dollar, okay? After many candles have passed without reaching EMA 9, now price reached EMA 9 and continuing toward the EMA 20s. On GBP dollar also. Nelson, you should have watched carefully all of King's video before hating. King has a master's degree in math and finance, and he also have years of experience in the market. Thank you, Gadi. Oh, actually, there is no success without haters. Okay, if you aren't succeeding, you will not have haters, of course. When you are doing something great, of course you will have haters. Okay, haters means success. And I don't waste my time on haters. I just remove them and that's it. Because if they aren't really interested, why are they watching? Just tell me, why are they watching if they aren't interested? They are writing hating speeches. Okay, fine, you are hating, you are not liking this channel, you have other places. Why are you here? Why are you watching? Okay, because you are interested much more than the others. Okay, so in this case I remove haters. Okay, euro dollar is going up. Perfect, trying to reach EMA 20. GBP dollar is still waiting for it to EMA 200. Okay, BRICS, thank you for the opportunity to learn your strategies. You're most welcome. Not to mention, he also passed CFA certification on first attempt, and also King speak French well. This guy is damn genius. Thank you, Khadi, really. Thank you so much. Okay, so euro dollar is going up, but volume is still below EMA 20. We need volume to cross EMA 20, so we start seeing big white candles. On GBP dollar, perfect, toward EMA 200 for the people waiting for it. Shazia, hi King, so nice to have a live again. You're most welcome. H9, I'm on GBP dollar trade. When will it reach EMA 200? Very close. That's why I'm keeping my eye on it. Lots of you are trading GBP dollar and it's very close. Euro dollar also crossed EMA 20 as we have expected. Okay, and now I'll start closing. I'll start closing. Why? Because I didn't make that much of profits, but it's risky a little bit. I will be explaining to you why. Just let me close it. Okay, so here I am, $19 profits. That's perfect. That's perfect. I could have made more, but I wanted to wait I wanted to manage my risk. Pay attention very clearly here. I will be explaining to you. Okay, so I made $19 with this entry from there till there. Okay, but this was, but I have closed. I have managed my greed. Okay, here I have talked about the greed. I have talked about the greed in my trading psychology video. Please watch it. It's very essential. And here it's all about greed. Why I have closed. Pay attention. Price was going down and too many candles passed without reaching EMA 9. Okay, first, before continuing the explanation, I advise you to close here on euro dollar, and now you should be enjoying your profits. So did anyone close on euro dollar and enjoying his profits for the moment? Did anyone close on euro dollar? Please write. Okay, so to continue, many candles passed without reaching EMA 9. Pay attention here. This big candles, if someone don't have experience, might think that the trend will be continuing down, but this is false. This big candles indicates that price is going. This big candles indicate that this downtrend is about to end, and especially that this big candle is rejected here. Okay, so as you can see, this big candle rejected, and this big candle indicates that sellers are done here. Okay, they took their profits here. That's why price started to retrace, as you can see in small candles, and this angle was very big, let's say 90 degrees angle. Okay, and now after reaching here, after this rejection, price started to go up to retrace, but not in a big angle. Are you understanding what I'm saying? This is not a V. This downtrend has a very big angle, let's say 80, 70 degrees, okay? But this angle is not like that. It's very small, and the candles in this uptrend, let's say,
are not aggressive. It means this is pure retracement. It's not a reverse. Okay, that's why it's very risky if you hold on your profits here, waiting to make larger profits until price cross EMA 20 and reach above it. It's very risky. So you have to close your profits here, okay, and wait for another entry sign to re-enter the market and double your profits from there, almost near the last bottom. Also, price was not able to cross EMA 20, as you can see. Okay. Okay, now I have entered. Before answering your chat questions, I'm late a little bit on answering. Just let me explain to you, as I have mentioned before, in each video we are moving a step further, and in this live trading I am using advanced mode, so I'm trying to give you as much as possible of the advanced tips. Okay, so here, after all of this analysis, as I am telling you, okay, I am selling the market. I am selling this market. As you can see, I have entered 2 micro lot sell orders here. Why? Because since this is a retracement, price will be getting back. Okay, so here we are advanced. Now I will be selling this market, as you can see, and place my take profit somewhere here. When price reaches my take profit, I close, and here price would be again away from EMAs and ready to get back to EMAs, so I would buy again from there and reach EMA close when price reaches EMAs again. So here you're not just doubling your profits, you are trading both sides, from buy and from sell, but this needs lots of experience. Okay, let me read your chat. I'm very late on it. Okay, Shazi, hi King, so nice to have a live again. You're most welcome. It's a pleasure for me. Okay, HNAG, will it reach EMA 200? Let's get back to GBP dollar. You could have closed here when price was very near to EMA 200. Okay, so I wish you have closed right here on GBP dollar when price was very close to reach EMA 200. Okay, and if you are waiting for it, it will be much. Let's say it's not a very well management strategy, risk management. Okay, here price was very close to EMA 200. You should have closed and waited for the price to get back up again and then start selling again and reach EMA 200. But if you are waiting for it, okay, that's fine. But what I'm trying to explain to you, try to treat greed. Okay, so price was there, you were already in profit, and this was a rejection candle. You should have closed there instead of waiting for price to reach EMA 200 just to gain this little distance. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. That's greed. And now you can double your profits, but that's fine. With practice, everything becomes. Okay, let me continue. I'm on Shazia, yes, you tell them, King, go away, haters. Okay. Carl, how much is the profit now? Told you I have made $19 in profits. Jeremy, if you don't like what you see, leave the man's channel, go somewhere else. Simple. Yes, exactly, Jeremy. Thank you for your comment. Exactly. I don't waste my time on haters. And okay, thank you, King of Forex. My name is Muhammad from Morocco. After 2 years of fail and searching with your video, I start to see profits. I can't thank you enough. You are the king. You're most welcome, Muhammad. I'm so glad for your profits. Congratulations for your success, and so glad that you have found my channel. I advise you first to watch my content from the beginning so you can follow me step by step and then start applying in the proper way. Learning and practicing is delivered in an optimal manner. Okay, so sometimes I leave some space between my videos in order for you to have the right time, the right duration to apply what you have learned. Okay, and then I give it a step further. Everything is delivered in optimal manner. So start watching from the beginning to learn it step by step from the first. HNAG, thanks, you're most welcome, HNAG. Carl, that's what I'm talking about, nice. Okay. Adrian, yes, I closed. Angelo, I got $2.48 on euro dollar. Used very small lot size. Congratulations, Angelo. Adrian made lots of profits on euro dollar. Congratulations for your profits. Naturally wealthy. My family, thank you. Oh, okay. Thank you so much. My greetings to your family. That's what I'm talking about. Price was rejected here and will continue selling. You see? You see why I have sold here? That's how you predict the market, okay? Price will be continuing this downtrend and that's why I have sold. Okay? Let me continue the chat. I'm very late and really I'm trying my best to trade and answer your questions at the same time. Okay. Just Anderson just closed in profits euro dollar. Perfect. Congratulations also. Joseph, good afternoon, King of Forex. Thanks for good afternoon, Joseph. HNAG, thanks for the explanation. You're most welcome. And King, thank you so much. You're most welcome. Yes, I'm learning from you every. Okay, that's what I'm talking about, guys. You see why I have sold? You see why I have sold here? You see how I predict the market? Always what I predict, the price dictate. That's why I have sold here. I told you this downtrend will be continuing. That's why I have sold after the given analysis. I gave you my analysis just some minutes ago and the price is doing exactly that. Okay, so price is going down. I'll be closing here and then entering the market because price will be away from EMAs. Okay, now I will be closing. Why? Okay, now I have closed with profits also. Okay, small profits, but I am on micro lot. Okay, just to show you that even if you are using a small account, that's perfect. Okay, okay, just let me answer your questions first. I'm very late. Afsar, exactly, you said no need haters to quarrel. Yes, okay. German, I wish I knew you personally so you could give me much more pointers. Hello, German. You're most welcome, really. What can I say? It's a pleasure for me to know you personally. Angelo, the first time I watched King of Forex video, I wasn't a believer because of the other tutorials in YouTube until I tried King method, and this is the only strategy that made sense to me. So thank you, King. Angelo, you're most welcome. Exactly. Actually, when I decided to start this channel, I was sitting there with my friends in the 1% Forex Club. And I told them about the idea that I cannot see anymore Forex traders losing their valuable time and their valuable money in this tough trading career. I've told them that people are losing their savings, are wasting their valuable time and money, either losing in Forex trading or paying for courses or everything that's nonsense. There's lots of nonsense in this market. And I decided to start this channel in order to help or place traders on the right path towards success. My friends, the 1% most successful traders refused to do it. They told me that we have decades of experience, we have years of very hard experience working from the morning till night, every day, that we have learned the whole secret and that we are here today. So why would you do it? But really, I felt that I have to do it. I felt that it's a mission, I have to do it. And I started with you with the basic strategy, the King of Forex strategy, okay, the EMA strategy, the basic one. It allows you to understand the market, how it works perfectly, and it allows you to become profitable. And moreover, with each of my upcoming videos, I'm taking you a step further toward success. So you're on the right path. Keep it up, work hard for it, believe me, it's worth it. USD yen, okay. Let me check other markets. GBP dollar is sell perfect just 1 minute ago here. USD yen, stay away from it. Okay, because price is not reaching EMA 200 and it's going away from EMA and reaching, but it's not creating big distance. Okay, so missed opportunity. Here I have told you to buy AUD dollar, and here is a missed selling opportunity. Let's check euro dollar. Okay, as you can see, I was waiting for euro dollar to become there, to close there, but actually I have closed here. And as you can see, the place that I have closed, price didn't break it. Why? Why I have closed here, I didn't explain to you. Because after this rejection, and this is feeling of the market, this cannot be explained easily. I have told you and explained in my last video, you have to start developing the feeling of the market. You see guys, I have closed here with profits and didn't wait for the price to continue its downtrend. Why? Because I knew I can feel the market price from there won't be continuing down. Okay, this is purely feeling of the market. You have to start developing it. Don't ask me about it here. Go and watch my trading psychology video till the end. I have explained to you how to develop the right mindset, how to develop this feeling of the market. That's why I have closed here. Price is now up again and again. Okay, I have closed my profits and saved myself. And that's why I have closed here when I was buying. You see, I told you price will not continue till EMA 200. That's why I have closed here. Okay. I've made 12,000 pounds. Okay, congratulations. Joseph, can I trade this strategy with $100 account? Joseph, it's not about this strategy regardless. $100 account in Forex trading is pure risky. It's guaranteed failure. It's guaranteed. Why? Because if market is going against you, your balance, your account cannot hold. It's not logic to start with $100, okay? You have to start with at least $1,000 account. So your account can hold market moves against you. Okay, another question. Matthew, King of Forex, could you answer on my question is higher? Well, I didn't find it. I'm trying to search for your question. I didn't find it. So if you can retype it, I didn't find it, Matthew. Jermaine, my account is $100. Okay. I've started doubling my account, sir. Thank you. You're most welcome. Zishan, I have sell lots from 1.17 and 1.18 waiting for market to reach back 1.17. So you're talking about actually euro dollar is 1. Okay. I have sell lots from 1.17 and 1.18 waiting for market to reach back 1.17. Well, euro dollar came back to 1.17. What you say? Well, Zishan, your question is out of nowhere from this trading, but okay, you are asking if euro dollar will get back to 1.17. Actually, it's 1.21. So to answer your question, let me check. Okay, on M30 euro dollar reached EMA 200, but what you want is 117. 117 is very low, so let me check the daily. Yes, perfect. EMA 200 is 1.15, so price will be reaching EMA 200 sooner or later, and 1.17 is somewhere there, so price will be reaching it, but it may take lots of time. Why are you trading such big, such high time frames? Okay, try to trade the small time frames, much better. Okay, another questions. Jermaine, hey coach, I know you very good. I see that. Is there any way I can get in touch with you? I can learn this every day. I'm more than willing to fully learn this way of trading. First of all, thank you and congratulations for your spirit. I think you have the right mindset to succeed, the tough mindset, but for the moment, this is not available to reach me personally, and hopefully soon. Okay. I trust your method, only I have $100 in my account and I use 0.2 lot size. Okay, you trust, okay, fine, but it's risky. For $100 account, please use micro lot. And other people have, other traders have answered you, Jermaine, please don't trade with $100 account. King have told that at least $1,000, and with $1,000 account you still need to use micro lot. Exactly, perfect. Philip, does this training happen every day? First time seeing it, but I'm late. Hello, Philip. Well, actually, of course, it's not every day. I cannot go live every day, but I'm trying my best to go live more frequently. I have other live streamings, and I have too many uploaded videos. So I advise you to watch my content from the first, so you can follow me step by step. You may not understand what you are doing in this live stream. So please watch my content from the first. You're most welcome to my channel and start following me step by step, and you can trade with me in my next live stream. Okay, perfect. So let's return to trading, guys. GBP dollar is going up. Okay, that's what I was talking about on GBP dollar. If you remember on M5, one of you have asked me here. Do you remember? One of you asked me here, do I wait for GBP dollar to reach EMA 200 on M5? I told you that no, here you should close. Price will be getting up, and then you start selling again to reach EMA 200. That's what happened exactly. Okay, so some of you told me to close, to wait here, and I told him to close. I hope you have closed, and now you can resell and enjoy your profits. Also on 1 minute time frame. Okay, I will be trading GBP dollar. It's okay, USD and leave it for the moment. AUD dollar is perfect. You are missing selling opportunities on AUD dollar. For Euro GBP also, it's not that much. Price is getting away from EMA and returning, but not creating a big distance. So that's not perfect. Okay, Euro dollar, that's why I have closed my profits here. I knew market is going to be on sideways, and as you can see, volume is very low. Okay, so that's why I have closed my profits here and get out from Euro dollar market. So the best candidate for the moment is GBP dollar. After reaching this high and getting close to EMA 200, but didn't reach it. So I am waiting for a big up move to start selling GBP dollar, and I'm preparing my micro lot size. Jordan, coach, appreciate you, bro. Thank you, you're most welcome. HNAG, that was me. Yes, exactly. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. The GBP dollar started to go up much further. I have missed it. I have missed it in the chat. Okay, I wanted to sell here. Missed it. Lila, I'm receiving lots of comments, so I'm trying my best to not miss trading, and also, okay, missed here is sell opportunity on GBP dollar. I was waiting for it here to sell. Okay. USD yen is going down much further, and for AUD dollar. Clive, yes, it was me. Yes, Clive, now I remember. Yes, exactly, it was you. Adrian, not passed yet, still doing challenge. Okay, Jackson, good afternoon, sir. First, thank you. The decision that you take will change the life for many persons, including included. My God bless you. Thank you, Jackson. Yes, I know. I can feel it. I know. Bells, I'm thinking about doing this strategy when I get my challenge. Yes, you can. Adrian, you can use 1.01 price, very far away, says King of Forex. Yes, I have explained to him, Adrian. Thank you for your deep explanation. You see, I told you it was a missing sell here. You see, I wanted to sell here, and that's it. Price is going down, as I have predicted. It was a miss sell. Adrian, yes, depends on the lot size. It could be quickly or take a bit longer. Okay. Philip, I really want to get better at trading. Yes, Philip, you're most welcome. Here you are on the right path, and I have explained to you how to start. Okay, so just start from this moment. It gets hard, yes. Okay, it gets hard. Okay, if it was easy, everybody would be doing it. But just start. Junaid, you are king, my mentor. You're most welcome. Okay, here we are. I have missed this selling opportunity. I told you. Oh, GBP dollar is going down much further, missing this sell opportunity here. Okay, let's look for other opportunities. Let's focus on trading. Euro dollar after closing here was going on sideways. So even this buy was not enough. This sell was not enough. Okay, you need bigger distance from EMAs. But this downtrend should be continuing, but as you can see, the volume is below EMA 20. So we need much more pressure, either to take the price up or down. So let's wait for it. Okay, GBP dollar, I hope it's going up. It was a great sell opportunity here, missed it. So I will keep my eye on GBP dollar, the best candidate for the moment. That's perfect, started to go up. We have volume. Okay, always pay attention to volume indicator. You need high volume, high volatility in scalping. It's better. The higher the volatility, the better. Junaid, practice makes perfect. Yes, exactly. Daniel, I just made 75 pounds on that GBP dollar missed sell. Wow, perfect. So some of you have sold the GBP dollar that I have missed here and made lots of profits out of it. That's perfect. Great to hear that. Okay, so some of you have sold here GBP dollar. That's perfect. Philip, is it moving average crossover you're trading? Philip, I cannot explain to you the whole strategy within minutes here. Okay, no, it's not about the crossover. Please watch my content from the first. It's very well explained. In each video you are moving a step forward and you will understand it very well. Okay, of course I cannot explain it to you here in some minutes. Bells, I dropped my girlfriend to focus on trading. Okay, yes, you can. Angelo, good choice, Bells. Okay. So euro dollar, that's why I have closed here. It's going still on sideways, indecisive at all. And if you were buying this market, now it's a great opportunity to close it and get out of this market. It's indecisive, purely sideways. The best candidate is GBP dollar. I am still waiting for GBP dollar. USD yen is still going down much further. Okay, AUD dollar also is great. Let's see how further it's going. So either AUD dollar, either GBP dollar. Okay. Let's wait for it. Either AUD dollar or GBP dollar. AUD dollar is getting better, but GBP dollar is preferred. Okay, GBP dollar is preferred. But AUD dollar is giving a better opportunity. Why GBP dollar is preferred, I cannot explain really. This is very advanced. But in this moment, GBP dollar, if it goes up, it's much preferred than AUD dollar. But I'm waiting. Okay, AUD dollar is doing well. I hope AUD dollar is going up much further, so I start selling this market. Okay, let me prepare my micro lot. Okay, I'll start selling AUD dollar with a micro lot for the moment. GBP dollar still waiting for it to get up much further. Okay. Okay, that's why I have sold AUD dollar. Price will be returning and my take profit would be there between 20 and 50. Okay, my take profit between 20 and 50. Okay, someone is asking, why just don't you use Bollinger Bands? Well, actually, they are made out of EMAs. Okay, they are made out of EMAs, so why would you use them? You can use the initial, the main, which are EMAs. Okay, this indicator is made out of EMAs, so why would you use it when you can use the main, the initial? Okay. I just made some money on USD CAD, Joseph. Okay, perfect. Also, can you recommend a dollar amount to use to move up on lot size? Thanks for all that you do. You're most welcome. Can you recommend a dollar amount to use? Okay, first, if you have a small balance account, you should start with micro lot. When market is moving faster and further away from EMAs, you can start adding lots. Okay, there is no specific amount, but you can enter with a bigger lot when market is going much further from your EMAs. Okay, at a bigger distance you can start increasing the lot, but there is no specific times 2 or times 3. This coefficient is not available. Okay. Okay, so on AUD we started to enter this market. GBP dollar is preferred. I was waiting for it, but I have entered on AUD dollar. It's okay, it's fine. Okay, euro dollar reached the EMA 200. Perfect. Euro dollar started to go. Okay, now we can start selling euro dollar. Perfect. So euro dollar reached EMA 200 suddenly. Some of you were waiting for EMA 200. I think you have made lots of money out of it. Okay. So on euro dollar, for the traders who have been waiting for EMA 200, now you should be closing your profits. GBP dollar. Okay, GBP dollar is not able to go up to break the last high, so it should be going toward the EMA 200. AUD dollar, perfect, perfect. Okay, price was. I'm waiting for it also. Okay, get down. Waiting for it to go down much further. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Close on AUD dollar. Okay. Perfect. I have closed here almost on EMA 20. GBP dollar was preferred. That's perfect. Okay, did anyone make also profits on AUD dollar? Anyone have made profits also on AUD dollar? And now I'm waiting for another sell on AUD dollar, by the way. H-tag, watch GBP dollar. Okay, I'm keeping my eye on GBP dollar. It's very interesting for the moment. The most interesting candidate for the moment is GBP dollar. Okay, because either the market will be going up and continue this uptrend, either it will be going to reach EMA 200 very soon. So I'm keeping my eye on it. Adrian, I closed AUD dollar for profits too. Okay, perfect. Who have also closed on AUD dollar with me here with profits? Please type who have closed on AUD dollar with profits here after selling from there. Euro dollar, I told you it was a great sell. We have missed it. I told you here it was a great sell on euro dollar. So price reached back EMAs. Missed it, but okay, it's fine. Okay, euro GBP, as you can see, the resistance was this area between 20 and 50. Now euro GBP is breaking this resistance, so maybe continuing toward EMA 200. We have to check it in a while to see. Okay, GBP dollar sideways. Perfect, it's going up. Okay, I'm waiting for GBP dollar to get up much further. Here we are, 50 seconds. Pay attention to market watch. 52, 54. Okay, I have sold the GBP dollar at 55 almost, okay? At the end of this candle. And waiting for it to get up much further. Perfect. So let's read also. Okay, Philip, coach, do you hold the trades or you only focus on the 1 minute? 1 minute is preferred, but you can apply this strategy. You can scalp the market on higher time frames. Okay, I can trade M30, M5 daily, weekly, even monthly, but M1 is preferred. Okay, because you will have lots of opportunities in a very short amount of time. You will be making very fast and big profits. Okay. Dirking is okay. Question about brokers, I don't answer it. This is not in the objective of this channel, and choosing one depends purely on your country and your balance and lots of things. Okay, so it's not. I don't want to be promoting anyone. Okay. Okay, perfect. So GBP dollar made profits out of it also. Still waiting for a big move to make bigger profits. Let's see. Okay, for GBP dollar, we have closed here with profits. This market is going on sideways, GBP dollar, by the way. It's not able to decide either up or down. That's why we are